Welcome to our channel's latest update. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck were spotted once again at a Los Angeles McDonald's drive-thru, grabbing a quick breakfast. Despite J.Lo's typically healthy diet, she joined Ben on this fast food run. Ben, a fan of McDonald's, has been seen there frequently, with this visit marking the fourth time in 2 weeks. In the drive-thru, Ben placed the order while J.Lo sat beside him. Despite her dedication to a balanced diet, J.Lo, known for her fitness routines, doesn't follow extreme diets. Tracy Anderson, her trainer, emphasized the importance of balance in her approach. In addition to her entertainment career, J.Lo recently launched Delola, a line of ready-made cocktails. Despite Ben being a recovering alcoholic, J.Lo explained that she only occasionally indulges in cocktails. Ben has been open about his struggles with alcohol, supported by his ex-wife Jennifer Garner. They co-parent 3 children, and J.Lo, co-parenting her twins with ex-husband Mark Anthony, has reportedly helped improve the relationship between Ben and Jennifer Garner. The blended family is described as happy and friendly. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and stay tuned for more informative updates. Have a great day.